Come on, Rocky. Eat your pill. Rock. Come on. Take a bite. Why are you being so stubborn? Huh? Okay. Please do me a favor and take your pill. Grr. Look at the eye. Oh my God, look at you. Rocky, come on. Yes, lick your chop. Now, now eat that. Come on. Come on. Look, yum. I put it right there. Now lick it. Come on, Rocky, lick the pit. Lick it. Ah, you. Tease you. I'm going to tease you. Oh, really? Excuse me. Excuse me, Rocky. What you doing? Come on. You are so funny. Why? Wow. Come on. It's like giving something to a kid. Seriously, yeah. See? Rocky. I'm going to leave right there. Really? Now. Come on, Rocky. Open wide, boy. Open wide. Come on. Yeah, that tastes good. Ah. Oh my God, come on. Ew, look, the pill is getting soggy looking. Come on. Hello. Hello. Ew, what's this? I hope you don't, like, fight me. Ooh. Ooh. Kyra, your finger got caught. Let me help you. Come on, let me help you. Oh, really? Come on. Oh, freaking pill. Look. See? This helps you. It really helps you. Hello? Man, you are really, really, really being really stubborn. I'm only trying to help you, Rocky. You understand? Huh? Are you listening? Hello? I don't think you're listening. I'm trying to take that off. Oh, man. It's such a... Yeah. What? What? Hello? Really? Rocky, are you sad today? Hello? Look at him. He's just so blah. Rocky, is one of this day where you go blah. You don't see well. Oh, you. Fine. You won't get your pill. God. Ditto. I'm losing patience. Forget you. Yeah, all right, it's too cute. Can't stay mad at you because you're so cute. Oh, look at him. He's so